Hi, I'm David with General Air. This is the new Millermatic 255. In this video, we're going to be short-circuiting with its auto set feature. Let's see what it's about. When we go into the machine's auto set feature, it asks us a couple of questions. The type of gas that we're going to be using, the wire diameter, and the material thickness. Then it gives us an inch per minute for our wire feed speed and a voltage. Let's weld with these parameters and take a look at the bead. With the factory auto set parameters that we just saw with the 255, we were able to put down this weld. And I can attest, it is a good procedure for in position. But the machine allows us to go lower and higher. So let's go on the low end and see if we can weld the same plate vertical up. Using the auto set feature, all we did was turn the wire feed speed and the voltage down, and we were able to defy gravity and weld vertical up and put down a pretty nice looking bead. Using the 255's auto set feature, I switched the gas over to 100% CO2 just to see what would happen. Sure enough, I got a great looking bead and a really stable arc, where traditionally 100% CO2 would give you much more spatter. We made this weld vertical up using short circuit transfer with the Miller 255. 190 inches per minute at 16.5 volts. Sure enough, the machine performed perfectly. Gave me a lot of control all the way through the length of the weld. Gave me a nice looking bead too. Using the Millermatic 255's auto set feature, I selected 3/8 plate. The machine told me to use a 90-10 argon CO2, which put the machine into an axial spray, and we laid down this beautiful weld.